Hello, good day everyone. Welcome back to Pandas Market. Well, in this video, we're going to look at the improvement that Metatrader platform has made. Well, we know a couple of months ago, Metatrader 5 was banned from the Apple Store due to one or two reasons, and by God's grace, successfully they have been reinstalled in the Apple Store. So no more to use the Metatrader 5 website. By here we have an app download and use. So you log in, so you go straight to your Apple Store. On the search bar type Metatrader, and here you see Metatrader 4, Metatrader 5. So you can download any of them, the one you prefer to use. So let's download Metatrader 5 right here. Click on the download. So after successful download, open up. You allow, accept your terms and conditions. If you decide to create an account with them, well, that's if you're new. But if you're not new, you can just open a demo account, which will give you access to currencies, trade and stuff. So over here, you can add up your broker's account by simply clicking on add account, search for your broker, then you're good to go. So if you found value in this video, help us by giving us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, leave your comment in the comment section, tell us what you think about the video and what you want us to make videos about. Thank you, and catch you in the next video.